2016 May, when the issue of there was a program on Afzal Guru happened, and the issue after that then Umar Khalid and Kanhaiya Anirban got arrested. The whole JNU went outside. हजार लोग गया है. Then the union ka leaders from the left said to the students, don't mention the name of Umar Khalid. If you mention the name of Umar Khalid, then our cause will be problematic. You raise the slogan for Kanhaiya Kumar, but don't mention the name for Umar Khalid. It is in that 1,000 students, we only 20-30 students put the placard. We are Umar. We are Umar. I have very different ideological difference with Umar Khalid. But at that time, we only 30 students, maximum 30 students put that placard. That time, that was the position of Students' Union. When it comes to the Najeeb issue, it is the student union leaders. They said that Najeeb is a psychological ill person. He attacked ABVP people. He has some criminal tendencies. And the so-called left people signed in that paper. Even the police is also quoting the JNUSU narrative. The third thing is a very recent example. Sharjil Imam is a Muslim political activist, a good scholar from Jawaharlal Nehru University. What happened when Sharjil Imam got arrested? When Sharjil Imam got arrested, the union said that we are not agreeing with the points which Sharjil Imam raised. You at least read High Court judgment, High Court observation on what Sharjil Imam said. High Court said that for telling for Chakka Jam, it is a protest activity. It is not a terrorist activity. In a constitutional framework, in like India, every individual, every citizen have a right to protest. So Chakka Jam is not a seditious activity. Chakka Jam is not a terrorist activity. At least these left people, these left union people, they should read the judgment of Delhi High Court. That is the position whenever the issue of a Muslim student comes. That is the position the left union, the so-called mainstream parties takes in this campus. That is why the movements like BAPSA, SIO, MSF, Fraternity, YFDA, these kind of social justice movement from marginalized sections. Our leaders, we don't need any masters like Kanhaiya Kumar. That is for sure. We know, you see that many leadership who is from this campus, after leaving this campus, they will join so-called mainstream parties. I don't have any problem with that. But the politics of the marginalized sections, the politics of the SCs and OBCs and the Muslims and the people from different regions, whether it's northeast from Tamil Nadu, they will decide. They are the majority, they are the real stakeholders of the Indian nation. They will decide what should be the politics.